In this tutorial, we will be discussing about the maxima minima problem, that is the word problem, based on the two important shapes, that is rectangle, semicircle. In the problem, it is given the rectangle with a maximum perimeter inscribed in a semicircle. So let us draw a semicircle inside which a maximum rectangle is obtained. In that case, let us say this is A, B, C, D, and this is the center of the semicircle, that is O. And it is, let me say, this is X. OC is X. Therefore, this OC is X. Therefore, CD is 2x, which is nothing but the length of the rectangle. And let us work out this B, that is the breadth of the rectangle. Of course, this is the radius and this being perpendicular height. So this is the right triangle. According to the Pythagoras theorem, B is equal to, that is r squared minus x squared, the whole square root. Now we have the perimeter and its formula is 2 into L plus B for rectangle. Now P max we have to find out. Before that, let us substitute 2 into, in place of x we can put L, that is in place of L we can put 2x plus, and in place of B you can introduce r squared minus x squared, the whole square root. Now 4x plus 2 into r squared minus x squared, the whole square root, that is equal to P. Let us find out dP by dx because it is given as the maximum. So first we have to find out the differentiation of P with respect to x. That is equal to 4 plus 2 into r squared minus x squared can be written as r squared minus x squared whole power 1 by 2. So to find out the differentiation, you will introduce 1 by 2 and then r squared minus x squared half minus 1, that is minus half, and within the bracket you have to solve x, so that is minus 2x by chain rule. So 2 into, now you can substitute the differentiation of this one, which is nothing but 2 into 1 by 2 into, you can introduce 1 by r squared minus x squared power half into here minus 2x. Okay, so let us cancel this, and dP by dx for the maxima, it should be 0. Okay, so in that case, let me introduce 4 plus, instead of dP by dx maximum, you can introduce 0 on the left hand side. So 4 plus, it is not plus, this is minus. So 4 minus 2x divided by r squared minus x squared whole power 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2x divided by r squared minus x squared whole power 1 by 2 is equal to minus 4. So minus of minus plus. So let us bring x this side. Therefore 2x is equal to, what is that? That is 4r squared, or 4 into r squared minus x squared, is it not? R squared minus x squared whole power 1 by 2. Now taking square root on both sides, taking square on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Both sides, we get 4x squared is equal to, this is 16, is it not? Into r squared minus x squared. So squaring the root, we get cancel. Therefore 4x squared is equal to 16r squared minus 16x squared. Okay. Now we want to find out x. So 16x squared can be brought here. So 4x squared plus 16x squared is equal to 16r squared. Therefore 20x squared is equal to 16r squared, and x squared is equal to 16 by 20 into r squared, that is 4, and this is 5. Therefore x squared is equal to 4r squared divided by 5. Now taking square root on both sides, x is equal to 2r divided by root 5. Okay. Now we are able to find out x. We need to find out L and B. L is equal to 2x, that we know already. Let us substitute here. Therefore 2 into 2r divided by root 5. Therefore L is equal to 4r divided by root 5. So this is length parameter. What about breadth? We know B is equal to the whole square root of r squared minus x squared. Therefore B is equal to r squared minus, instead of x you can put this 2r. So x squared means 4r squared divided by root 5. Okay. Okay, so this is squared, so you have to remove this root. So we get 4r squared divided by 5, and that is equal to 5r squared minus 4r squared whole divided by 5. This is B. That is equal to 5 minus 4 r squared divided by 5, the whole square root 2. Everything is present inside the root 2. Therefore B is equal to r, taking square root now. Okay. So square root of r squared is r divided by root 5. So the value of B is r by root 5. Okay. Now we have find out L and B. So what is B? R by root 5. So these are the two parameters of the rectangle. And then now we need to find out the perimeter, maximum perimeter. So this is the maximum length and the maximum breadth. So you can introduce 2 into L plus B, that is equal to 2 into L, how much? 4R by root 5 plus B, R by root 5. So that is equal to 2 into root 5. Take the LCM. Now 4 plus R, 4R plus R, 5R. So the P max is equal to, that is 10R divided by root 5. Okay, 10R divided by root 5. Otherwise, you can conjugate also. So on conjugating root 5 by root 5, you get 10 root 5 into R divided by 5. So you can cancel this. So 2, and therefore it is 2 root 5 into R. So the value of maximum perimeter is 2 root 5 into R. So this is the another answer, final answer. Okay, and you have to mention the unit, and this is also simply unit and unit, not square unit, simply unit. Okay.